Ow! Okay, what are you? Question. What are they doing? Hey guys, I'm Logan, the Sonic Beyblade, Cars, Ice Age, and Go Diego fan, and I'm Sonic the Hedgehog, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you all the cars. Right, Sonic? That's right, Logan.
Oh, I am fast. Nobody beats me. Nobody. Not every car can be a champion. Hey, even when I practice, I'm perfect. Hey, good luck out there, champ. Good job! See you at the race. I'm a preeminent world-famous race car. Okay, wish me luck. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm not scared of Francesco. I'm not scared of Francesco. Good job! How's my favorite competitor? I'm sorry, what did you say? Then get over there to victory lane. Coming through. Want to take a lap around the home track of the greatest racer ever? I'm coming for you, Storm. Coming through. How's my favorite competitor? Then get over there to victory lane. This is really impressive. Want to take a lap around the home track of the greatest racer ever? Wow. If this track could talk, would you look at that? Woo! Let's do this thing. I'm sorry, what did you say? You want me to take a nap? Ka-chow! Turn right to go left, turn right to go left. All right, let's get some dirt on these tires. You're not gonna want to miss a lap.
Okay.
Francesco needs a little strategy.
Let's up. It's Francesco Brunelli.
Francesco is familiar with this reaction to Francesco. That is how it goes. Women respect a guy that has nothing to hide. Francesco always wins. You're very good looking. Not as good as I thought, but you're good. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the luckiest car in the world. Francesco is familiar with this reaction to Francesco. Lightning McQueen! Buonasera!
Well, that's all the time we got for today, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you will not miss a new video from me. Until then, I'm Logan, the Sonic Beyblade, Cars, Ice Age, and Go Diego fan, and I'm Sonic the Hedgehog signing off. Goodbye.